It's a difficult time for many defence contractors, particularly those in Europe. And BAE Systems, the region's largest, says continuing cuts to US government spending will hurt future profits. That sent shares plummeting 11%. The group managed a modest 3% rise for 2013, but said it expects sales in its North American business to shrink by up to a quarter over the next 2 years. IG's Brenda Kelly says the trend is affecting the entire industry.
We've already seen the likes of Rolls-Royce actually pull back, and this was obviously due to the fact that there was little need for some of the government contracts that they had in situ. So I think for the time being, unless we see new contracts coming on board for BAE Systems, I would expect to see a little bit more downward pressure on the share price in the coming quarter.
Even news BAE had finally agreed a price for the 72 Eurofighter jets it's selling to Saudi Arabia failed to have much impact. The deal, first struck in 2007, was originally worth £4.5 billion. But Saudi Arabia wanted more weaponry and the contract had to be renegotiated. The new price hasn't been announced, but it clearly won't be enough to keep all BAE's operations busy.
We're probably looking towards the Middle East in order to replace that which was lost in the US. I'm not so sure that the Middle East can make up for any contracts that might be lost in the US, however.
BAE accepts the market conditions are challenging, although it says the 2-year budget deal passed by US Congress last year has eased some of the pressure going forward.